Hare Krishna. So welcome all of you. Today we will be discussing about Rath Yatra. Many of you might have heard what is Rath Yatra festival. But really saying, not many of us know why do we celebrate this festival. Why do we keep Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra? Jagannath is considered Krishna and Baladev is Balram and Subhadra is his sister. Why do we keep them on a chariot? Why do we pull the chariot? And why there is a huge celebration around this festival of cart on which Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra move? So this has a connection with a historical event from the Puranas, where we know that at one point of time when there was a solar eclipse, all the people in the Vedic tradition used to go and take bath in the bank of a holy rivers at the end of the solar eclipse. So at one such instance, all the residents of Dwaraka had assembled in the holy place of Prabhasa Tirtha, and also all the Brajvasis also came, thinking that we will see Krishna. Many of the Brajvasis have not seen Krishna after Krishna left Vrindavan. So many years have passed, they were wanting to see Krishna. So taking this as an occasion, they came to see Krishna, and Krishna also wanted to see all the Brajvasis. So they all assembled at this Prabhas Tirtha at the end of the solar eclipse. So when the Brajvasis saw Krishna, Krishna was not the small baby who used to play around in Vrindavan. Now, Krishna is living in Dwaraka, and in Dwaraka he is acting as if he is a king. He has a chariot, he is dressed like a king, he has a crown. But somehow or other, the Brajvasis, the residents of Vrindavan, they liked Krishna, but not this form of Krishna. They wanted Krishna to be like a simple village boy who used to run around the streets, steal butter, play with the gopis, play with the gopas, play with the cows. So, thinking that we want Krishna, but not this Krishna. This Krishna is a king. He has servants walking around him. There is so much of formality to relate with this form of Krishna. But they wanted Krishna of Vrindavan. So in their minds, they thought that let us take Krishna, Balaram and Subhadra back from Dwarka to Vrindavan. So all the gopis, all the Brajvasis, in their minds only, they started pulling this chariot in which they have seated Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra in the mind. So the idea is taking Krishna from Dwaraka to Vrindavan. Actually, Krishna also likes to be in Vrindavan, but now that he has become king and he has to stay in Dwaraka to protect his citizens, he couldn't go to Vrindavan. So internally, Krishna is also relishing that I am going back to Vrindavan. And all the devotees who are carrying Krishna from Dwaraka to Vrindavan, they are also celebrating, yes, Krishna is coming back to Vrindavan. So that is the significance of this pastime which happened many years back. Over a period of time, we know that there was once a king many years back. His name is King Indradimna. He wanted to establish a temple for worship of Krishna. And the story is a very long, but to cut it short, the deities of Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, he wanted Krishna, Balram and Subhadra, but however, they were half-finished deities. So however, upon the divine arrangement, these deities manifested in Jagannath Puri, which is now in Orissa. So this temple which King Indradimna constructed, which is Jagannath Puri temple in Orissa, is considered as Dwaraka. And there is not very far, around 3 or 4 kilometers away from Jagannath Puri temple, is a temple called Gundicha temple, where the Lord is being carried from Jagannath Puri to this Gundicha temple. Now Gundicha signifies that Vrindavan. So Lord Jagannath, after having a festival ceremony called Snan Yatra, he becomes sick. And that's why this period of last 15 days is called Anavasara, where Lord Krishna or Jagannath is not served as a regular way. Just like if a person is sick, he is being given a special treatment. So now being Jagannath in this situation for last 14-15 days, he wants to come and meet devotees. He wants to go to Vrindavan. So this is a celebration of Rath Yatra. After this period of Snan Yatra, he comes out, sits on a chariot. He is so very eager, he is so very ecstatic to go and meet devotees. That's why there is a huge celebration in Jagannath Puri. So if you see this Jagannath Puri event, there is like lakhs and lakhs of people coming and participating. One of the very well-known festival of India. So that is Rath Yatra. So 500 years back, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is none other than Krishna, came and participated in Rath Yatra, there used to be huge kirtan surrounding this cart. There used to be celebrations. The king of the Orissa, he himself used to come in front of the chariot and clean the path where the chariot used to go. So that is the level of devotion which everyone offers to Jagannath. So this Jagannath Rath Yatra festival is upcoming now in 2 days. It's on 12th July, and we see many places this Rath Yatra gets conducted. So ISKCON, International Society for Krishna Consciousness, which was established by Srila Prabhupada, also conducts Rath Yatra in various cities across the world. Srila Prabhupada, who was born in Bengal, was very well aware of this festival which happens in Orissa. Bengal and Orissa are neighboring states. So many people from Bengal go to Orissa to observe this festival. And Srila Prabhupada also wanted always to go to Puri to observe this festival. But when he was a very small boy of 6 years, 7 years, he himself couldn't go. So he used to call all his friends, small friends, 4 years, 5 years friends. Together they used to conduct a small Rath Yatra with a small cart and Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra being seated. He used to conduct a small Rath Yatra festival around his streets. So with that being inspiration, when Srila Prabhupada founded this international society, now we conduct ISKCON as a society more than 400 to 500 Rath Yatras in a year. We have Rath Yatras in San Francisco, New York, Los Angeles, Durban, we have in London. These are the famous cities where we conduct Rath Yatra, not to speak of India. Every city, Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai, everywhere we conduct Rath Yatras. So we all celebrate this Rath Yatra to bring Krishna back to us. Just like Krishna, Vrajvasis are trying to bring Krishna back to Vrindavan. So we, the participants also, should be in that mood that let us bring Krishna back into core of our hearts and worship Him. So this celebration signifies that we want to live, we want to serve Krishna as Krishna was always with us. Like how Vrajvasis always felt the presence of Krishna, they want Krishna desperately back with them. In that mood, we should celebrate this Rath Yatra festival. So thank you all very much for giving us your time. Hare Krishna.